So yes, all students, a very good evening to you all and welcome back to Enlightening Educators. So yesterday I had released a video regarding the how to crack your exams of NA, EPC, CS and control system, and this one, that is EM, that is electronic engineering electromagnetics, or ET, so electromagnetic theory, that you all have. And along with that I have also told you how to study for exams, the plans and what module to start first and how to do it. So this is what is all I've told you yesterday, and I kindly request you to watch it without fail. And here what I'm trying to tell you all is that, so today I'm going to tell you one more important thing, that is nothing but, so I'm going to tell you about this another super the website, okay, another super website which is going to what I can say, which is going to provide you a summary of all the documents that you what I can say take up. Okay, so this is very easy and nice. Why? Because in Unreal AI you have to only put 5 documents. Only 5 documents are allowed, and after that 5 documents, then you couldn't be able to upload your documents for this particular month. Then you have to wait for the month of December, right? I showed it to you day before yesterday. My documents uploading was 5 and my generations was still there. That is, I could ask any questions for that particular documents what I have uploaded there in unreal.ai. So that generations is 15, but how much documents I have to upload is 5, right? So 5 is the last, right? So that is a huge chaos to you all, because if anybody is having money, they could make a payment for uploading the more and more documents, right? So ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ಬೋದು. But if anybody is not able to pay for that and clear the way to upload all the documents how much they want, right? ಆ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ 5 ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ they will not be having money. So that is why this is one of the easiest way and simpler way wherein you can take summary of each and every documents that you see without any restrictions and hurdles. How? Okay, I'll show you what is the document, right? The document name is AI Blaze. Here I've opened AI Blaze. Okay, AI Blaze, and this AI Blaze is present in every of your documents. How? I'll show you. Okay, yeah. So here it is open, this AI Blaze. So AI Blaze, here there is, you will have to add to Chrome. I'll first remove from Chrome. Okay, I'll first remove from Chrome to show you how to do it, right? Okay, so now I'll just close this. Now what I'm going to do is, here I had removed it from Chrome now. Okay, so now I'll add to Chrome. So I'll add to Chrome, I'll add extension, right? I'll add extension. So if I add an extension again, so now I'll add an extension. So now I got AI Blaze dashboard, right? This is my AI Blaze dashboard. And now what's that going to happen is that you open any document from Chrome like this. The document should be like this from Chrome. Okay, ee tara open ಮಾಡಬೇಕು document ಅನ್ನ. And here there is an extension called AI Blaze extension. This plus is present, with the messenger symbol, this plus is present. So that is what is the AI Blaze extension that is added to Chrome. So when you open any document in Chrome without downloading, don't download this. Ili download button ella madak hogbedi. So ili open madi, because this extension is only given for Chrome. So now let me open this extension. So here, if I open this, yeah, here it is asking summarize